This morning I'm just working on scraping some varnish off the tow rail here. I think I'm going to just try having the tow rail oiled rather than keeping up varnish work on it. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully it's easier maintenance. Got a nice propane powered heat gun here to help soften the varnish up to scrape it off, and it'll be a little bit of an incremental project to kind of get some of it scraped off and sanded and oiled, and then we'll do another section. Epoxy on the bolts is working. They're not getting all rusty around there now.
So how's it going?
Well, it's a little windy right now. Again, it was calmer when I started back at it after the rain, but
yeah.
Now it's getting a bit breezy for that again. Not sure that swivel actually does its job on the mooring. I have to untwist these all the time anyways.
Yeah. Looks like a quiet place to live. It's a nice beach right on the Lunenburg Bay.
Oh, we're right along the shore here, so we get a little bit of fluky wind, but it's nice sailing.
Yeah.
So this bottom paint, this is Pettit Unipoxy, and we've been in the water for 15 months with this, and this is the first time I've cleaned it, other than when I was in for a swim and given a little brush here and there. So this is the first time I've really cleaned it, and it's really doing pretty good. It's just some soft growth on there. I don't really see barnacles, so it's doing quite well.
Oh, that's looking better.
final little bits of scraping done, sanded, and get some oil on it. So I'm applying this product here. It's made by a company called Circa 1850. It's Outdoor Oil. This oil is tung oil, orange oil, and pine oil. The orange oil gives it kind of a nice smell, and I suspect that it's used to thin the product a little bit too. So far I like it. I mean, I haven't put it through a really good test yet. This is a bit of a mix of wood up here. The tow rail is Iroko. This is African mahogany, and the mooring bit is Nara, and I think that's an Asian tropical wood, I think. Yeah, very hard.
Well, that looks super nice.
Yeah, freshens it up quite a bit. All takes time, working full time and maintaining the boat. While I'm at it, I'll just get a coat on this boat hook here.
Well, that looks all good.
Yep. A little bit of hot air in there. CO2 helps keep the finish from skinning over. Well, I got to get in and out of here quite a bit to get tools and materials and stuff, and this fiddle was designed to keep cushions in place back here for sleeping on, and they just don't need to be that tall. This is tall enough that it just makes it a little bit painful to get in and out of here. So I'm going to cut it down, put a nice generous radius on the top. It needed that anyways, and that'll make getting in and out of here a little easier.
Please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching.